Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings, and in here scroll all the way down to, well, let's make sure we're in a main settings page. There we go. So scroll all the way down to System, and then in here we should have, there we go, reset options right here. And then you want to select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so just go over this, see if there isn't anything that you'd like to preserve. If there is, make a copy of it before you begin the actual reset. Now, once you've done the backup of your phone, or maybe you just don't want to, you can select Erase All Data. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. Okay, that just glitched out. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. So anyway, once you confirm that, it should begin the factory reset, which will take a couple minutes to finish up, probably like minute to 2 minutes max. And once it's completed, we should be presented with Android setup screen. Now, I'm going to let it run through and come back once that is visible on my end. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.